Ever wanted to instantly draw attention to underperforming data points in your Tableau visualizations? Start with your basic line chart showing your data over time. Make sure you have the measure you want to analyze, such as sales, and a dimension like date on your rows and columns shelves respectively. Next, create your average line. Right-click on the axes, select at reference line, band, or box. In the dialog box, choose line, set the calculation to average, and select the field you're analyzing. Like sales, you can customize the label and formatting here too. Now, for the magic, create a calculated field by right-clicking in the dimensions pane and selecting Create Calculated Field. Name this field something like Below Average Indicator. In the calculation editor, use a formula to compare each data point to the average, something like if sales is less than window_avg of sales and below average ELSE above average, and this will flag each point as either above or below average. Drag your newly created calculated field, Below Average Indicator, to the color mark in the marks card. Tableau will automatically assign different colors to the above average and below average categories. Click on the color legend, then click on the below average color square and choose a color that stands out, like red, to highlight those underperforming values, and there you have it.